Learn vocabulary with example and sentences part 3. Snuggle. The cat snuggled in my lap. Come here and snuggle with me. It's cold outside. Wander. Don't wander around the park at night. I was just wandering around the house. Leap. The boy leaped over the hurdle. He leaped with joy when he heard the good news. Slam. He slammed the door in anger. He slammed the book on the floor. Astound. The news will astound everyone. The magic show astounded the kids. Overjoy. I am overjoyed to see you after so long. He was overjoyed when he got the job. Limp. He was limping after hurting his ankle. The dog must be hurt. He is limping. Wag. The dog is wagging its tail. She is wagging her finger at the girl. Gloomy. After losing the game, I was gloomy. He was gloomy after hearing the bad news. Weary. I am weary after a long day. After playing all day, I am feeling weary. Startle. You startled me when you shouted. I am sorry. I didn't mean to startle you. console. The teacher is consoling the crying child. She tried to console him after his dad died. Sorrow. She felt sorrow when her cat died. I can see the sorrow in your eyes. Compel. Don't compel your child to go to school every day. I was compelled to attend the meeting. Mock. They are mocking the new student. Don't mock her singing. She is practicing. Adore. My mother adores me a lot. I adore spending time with my family. Incite. He incited the crowd to protest. Her speech incited anger in the crowd. Stagger. He staggered after tripping on the sidewalk. He was staggering after lifting all the books. Terrified. The movie was so scary that I was terrified. He looked terrified when he saw the snake. Subscribe to our channel and thank you for watching.